Welcome back to Americana Outdoors. Well, this week it's all about hog hunting. Yamaha's Steve Nessel is out looking for mature bucks, but this morning, a bunch of hogs just walked into his shooting lane.
DC did some damage. Well, I haven't seen any sign since the big spot over there, but I can see a ton of sign on that cactus back there, and that's where he went in, or she went in, so. Oh! You see that? Yeah. I think it was done, and it was just running itself to sleep. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. It's not small. There it is. All right, I think maybe we can get. Yeah. That's a decent sized pig. Work up a little bit of the sweat getting her out of here.